hope he falls and breaks his neck.
I'm sure he'll fall, but I don't think we're lucky enough to have him break his neck.
Chevy Chase was lucky. However, thousands of accidents happen every year as a result of people putting up Christmas lights using ladders. And we don't use staples, we actually use these plastic clips. The ones on the left are used for icicles, and the ones on the right are actually used for C9s. On the left you see icicles, that's what most people prefer. I actually prefer a combination where I have C9s and some icicle lights, as you see on the right hand side. There are all kinds of icicle lights. Here's a bunch right here that are all wrapped up together, ready to be put on the house. You can rent aerial platforms from major equipment manufacturers such as United Rentals. This one comes on a flatbed truck.
So this is how we set up Christmas lights in my neighborhood. First we start with one of these. It's a 60-foot stick boom. Actually it's a 65-foot stick boom with an articulating arm on the end.
To say this is a production would be an understatement. This massive piece of equipment comes delivered on a flatbed trailer, and the driver will take it off the flatbed trailer and make it available for us to use. It takes us about a week to put up all the lights in our neighborhood for about 45 homes. It takes about a day and a half to take all those lights down using the same 65-foot stick boom, which they'll deliver when it's time to remove the lights from the houses. Since the platform is on wheels, we can drive it from house to house, making it easy to install lights throughout the neighborhood. Using clips allows us to quickly and easily install lights onto the house without damaging any of the wood or fascia. It also helps in teardown when we have to pull the clips out, leaving no remnants of the lights behind. Here, my neighbor Joe and I are on his second story installing lights along his roof line.